College with a KARBI pogo. Please give a round of applause. Concerning people felicitate our very own Professor Rahul Sharma sir. Sir, to say a few words regarding the tournament and the playful activities.
Good afternoon, everybody. My dear organizers of today's event, and of course that event will go for a week during this long competition. First, KARBI NOKBE cricket competition. This is for the first time in Karbi district. Organizers, they are organizing something which is extraordinary. And you know, sports is an indispensable part of our life. Because sports culture is really built, this kind of values will build our future generation. That will help youngsters to grow, to maintain discipline, and hope during your play you will be well disciplined and you will perform your best.
We are going to start our first match of the first no. Hello. After a few minutes, we are going to start our tournament, and I would like to request Mr. DIPHU to join me in the commentary box, as he's also a very well-known commentator of DIPHU town. All these warming.
So we would like this tournament is actually we host it. We are the host. We are KARBI NOKBE. So actually our aim and objective about this tournament we are hosting is like there's a lot of people those who are addicted in drugs and all these things. So we are likely to promote a new generation and just to spend more time in sports. KARBI long cricket ado football ado anso si sports ado puai pitch tamin tum cricket bang anso si aprang pali din pan tum an bori lo non bang ke kisiman tum kela drugs kichu ado di lahai ke paviri pan lapen kaprek muni tum asonamu ke camp lapen okapran pa miseni pan lahai pansi ni tum cricket tournament mang ke host lo la so aprang tamin tum host bom lo night tournament sto host lo non day bang tene ako non kicheng men ako host lo non kicheng si ni tum first KARBI NOKBE ako host lo la so phi ako non ke ning hang tum nang joini tum ta me ready lang tum except bom winner bang ke suri phokep lapin to trophy lahan lo yo trophy bang winner with trophy la so phi first runners up mate la final long kerem tum stame latum mang phan man tame 30,000 with along with trophy nala join fees bang ke suri ke thomra pharo pho nala